Hello, my name is Polly Cherry, and I'm originally from the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago. I came to Canada, Calgary, Alberta, 1980. I was very, very young. I cried so much because, we had to leave Trinidad to have a better life here in Canada. So I'm so thankful and blessed for that. I was raised by my grandmother for about 3 or 4 years. And the reason why she was looking after me is because I almost died. I didn't know that. I was asking questions. Why was I living at my grandmother's? And finally I found out it's because I almost died because my mom didn't have enough food to feed us. I have a very big family, 10 siblings altogether. I almost died. And I'm thankful I didn't die. My passion in life is to bless others. I've always been blessing many people, either with money or just, stuff. If I have $1, I would literally give you 90 cents out of it, and I'll keep 10 cents. Mr. Ash, I can truly relate to you. I heard the one story about on your days off, you will go to Costco and you would buy water or snacks or something. I can't recall the actual story, but you would go to Costco and buy, this water and just give it out to the homeless community. I admire you for that. And God has truly blessed you to bless us. So I thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to working more in the homeless community. Not only in my city, but I'm looking forward to going around the world, because I love doing mission trips, going around the world and just blessing nonprofit organization. And I am looking so forward to going back to Trinidad and Tobago and blessing my family, friends, and getting connected in the homeless community and see what we can do. No one should be homeless, and everyone should have food. So thank you, Mr. Ash. May God continue to bless you and keep you safe, keep your family safe. You are truly a blessing from God Almighty. Thank you.